A52 Samsung. First we need to heat up the back.
Oh my days. Another thing that was so annoying in church is apparently when I went to church somebody broke the TV. It was a £2,000 TV, but nobody knows who it was, right? And the pastor was annoyed and she said, I want everyone to at least take money offering because we don't know who broke that TV, because that TV is so expensive, £2,000 TV. So everyone came to put up their offerings. I think most people put 20 or 30. The total amount was £800. That was good for that. But the people who didn't have money, that was me, because I have it on my card. I was like, I don't carry cash with me. So they said, if people who don't have money, you can just bring it in. And I was like, yeah, I can do that. £2,000 TV. And the thing is, the person didn't own up that, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't break it.
He did?
No, didn't own up. We don't know who it was.
Oh my god.
And the pastor was so annoyed, saying that the gentleman, there's 6 guys who broke that TV in church. Just for the other people put in service to see.
You need something like this.
Yeah, iPhone 7. The only screen protector I have is just the old one. It's like this one. That covers the edges.
Yeah.
It's the original LCD.
Yeah, that's correct.
Warm it up with the hot plate. And as alcohol or contact cleaner we can use. Never put the alcohol or contact cleaner straight on the phone. Always put on your things, then start to moving it. Oh, sorry. Taking it like this. Bless you.
Thank you. And the parcel was right as well. She said, if the person owned up and said, oh, sorry, I broke the TV, then it's understandable. There's no problem. But to break the TV and not say anything, then nah, that's an issue. Hi. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Oh, like the cases for the
Years.
Yeah.
Works perfectly. Well, works well enough.
Yeah.
Always remove the battery first thing. It's too tight. Screws.
Not tippy.
Techie.
Tappy.
Yeah.
I always
But I mean,
I get everything except the I and the E,
yeah, you're very close though.
but never right.
Yes.
There you are. Okay, we remove the rest of the port, main port.
All that.
Yeah.
The switch on the hot plate for removing the battery. Then you have to check the motherboard have screws or not. Most of them have. بیشتر مادربردها پیچ دارن. One of the most important things always before you open it, remove the SIM card tray. Sorry, I forget to remove it first. First of all, remove the SIM tray.
Because it can be quiet throughout the whole day, most of the time, and then around 6 o'clock, that's when it gets busy. You get like 10 customers. So it's like really unpredictable. But most of the time, it's not changing.
Is it secure?
It's very important. Okay. Otherwise, it's gonna be damage the
It's like you haven't got them anymore.
SIM card reader on motherboard. Slowly remove this antenna boards. Just find a good place.
That looks like it might.
Slowly. Slowly.
I'm stuck.
Stop. Why stop? There. There you are.
Yeah, the latest one right now is the 9th generation. No, the iPad 2 was
iPad 2. iPad Air 2.
iPad Air 1 and iPad Air 2.
This one is a fingerprint reader. این برای fingerprint هستش. Okay, now we make it hot to remove the battery. We put it from this side.
I mean, that one is good, it fits, but that's the exact same cable as the thing but there's like different.
Make sure there is no glass or something stick on this tape. Sometimes glass, sometimes screws, because there is a tape in there. Stick in there, and when you want to fit it, it's gonna be break. Sometimes this is plastic is good, but most of the time it's glass and it give you problem. We make that one hot to remove the battery and haptic engine. Put the other CD next to it to make sure whatever. Some of them need to remove the home button, volume button, power button, to remove the speaker, to remove the other things. So make sure whatever you need, you remove it from the old LCD.
It's supposed to be tight, but like not very tight.
It only covers 2 corners.
Use a little bit contact cleaner to round it. And with one of these things, you can remove it. You don't need to make it too much hot. نیاز نیست خیلی داغ شه، ولی خب باید تا حدی داغ شه که بتونی باتری رو راحت remove کنی. Must be that much warm to remove the battery easy, because if you damage the battery, you will lose the battery. So we straight away we put the battery in a new LCD. That's it. Then that's the haptic engine. From this part there is a place you can remove it.
This one is waterproof. It's water resistant. Like the difference between water resistant and waterproof. It's water resistant. Only tiny little drops of water can go in.
Yes. We check anything else you need to put it back from the old LCD. No, I don't think so. So we put it away. We go for the new one. First, we put the yes.
Yeah, the iPhone 7. Moisture went in yesterday. It doesn't turn on.
Okay, we have to check it, book it. We have to open it and check it.
Yes.
Yes. There's nothing can be done now.
Yeah.
We will call her today. Put the motherboard
Yeah. When it comes to
from the top.
when it comes to the motherboard, and what goes inside the motherboard.
See? You have to fit the motherboard from the top like this.
You can give it a today, but it wouldn't be ready today.
There you are. Okay. Then we put the screw, one of the screws. Make sure we put it in the right place because there is many holes in there. اینجا سوراخ‌های خیلی زیادیه. فقط باید یادتون باشه که کجا اینو باز کردید یا با از این کمک بگیرید هیچ کدوم این سولاخ ها نباید پر شده باشه. یه دونه سولاخ هست اینجاست برای پیچ مادربورد. There is just one screw for motherboards. You have to make sure don't put it in other places. Here you are. We put the charging port from this side to top. Yes. Make sure it fit properly. Okay.
I think this will work, won't it?
The long one is the white one
It's just a bit tight.
first.
Fractionally on there. As long as it doesn't fall out.
With this we can holding it. این نگهش میداریم. Then push it in the port properly. Make sure it's connected. I can see a rubbish here. It's gone now. This is a duster. Sometimes you need to clean the cameras, and the port is much better. This is the main one. It always says from which side. So don't push it too hard. Slowly, when it find the right place, with a small push, it will be fit. You don't need push it hard. If you push it hard, it will be damaged. You put it, your finger on it, play with it. When it went to the right place, it will be fit easy. Then check it, make sure everything is fit. Then we go for a fingerprint reader. Same way, when it goes fit place, with a small push. Make sure everything is connected properly. Then we fit the battery. Now we're going to, that's the speaker. It's clean, you don't need to clean it. Put the plate. Okay. Start to close the screws. Switch off the hot plate. One of the important things is remove the SIM tray before anything. This screw is for the charging port. I don't know where it was, so I put this one here. With this way, I can see this hole was for this screw. With this one, there is nothing. You can see that screw. So is this one. Okay. Close the screws. Sometimes you can check it before close the screws. But before switch it on, make sure you put the platers at least. You don't need to close all the screws first, put the platers. Then switch on the phone. There are some phones, until you don't put the back, they're not coming on. So if your phone didn't come on, put the back cover, then switch it on. When it comes on, then remove it and close the screws. بعضی موقع موبایل روشن نمیشه تا اینو نذاریم. وقتی که اینو پشتشو میذاریم بعد میتونیم گوشی رو روشن کنیم، گوشی میاد بالا. الان میتونیم دیگه پیچا رو ببندیم با خیال راحت. گوشی روشن شد. Always make sure put something soft under your phone, because when you're closing the screws, you will be pushing it, and it's gonna be break your LCD. So something soft is gonna be good. همیشه یک چیز نرم زیر گوشیتون بذارید. وقتی پیچ‌ها رو دارید می‌بندید مجبورید یه فشاری بیارید برای بستنش. اگه نرم نباشه، یه چیزی زیرش باشه، اسکرین رو میشکونه یا خط میندازه روش. And we don't want to break it again. There you are. This is the last one for the top thing. You don't need to tie them too hard. One more here. The touch is not working. Come on. Sorry, something happened. I came back again. So always check the screen as well before closing the phone, before fit it. Check everything, make sure everything working fine. I miss one screw. Pinch. So I don't know where it is. It's fine. So everything is fine. Okay, that's fine. Sometimes check the charging as well. Make sure the phone is charging. Yes, it's charging. Then make sure nothing is sticking this tape. Okay. Use this tape, T8000 or T7000, both. It's okay. So first of all, remove the SIM tray and hit the back, then remove it. Then check the LCD, make sure everything is working fine. Then close it. Make sure these are your tape, your glue. Sometimes have something come with it, it goes to the cameras. Make sure it doesn't go that lines to the camera. And always check these lenses be clean. Okay. Now we fit it the back. Here you are. Make sure everything fits nice, clean. Put the SIM card and SIM tray before you lose the customer SIM card. Yes, and we put some tape to hold it better. it.